Hello, I am Prajakta Patil. I am pursuing PGDM in Finance from Tegna Global Business School. I have joined Magic Institute of Excellence Investment Banking and HR Operation program, through which I got placed in Infusion as an analyst. I gained lot of knowledge about investment banking and HR, like what are derivatives, what is swap, what is equity, and how that works. Also, the digital communication session helps me to crack the interview and have a gain more practical knowledge. Along with Vishal sir and Rajni sir, there are many industry experts from Sweetco, BNP Paribas, CRISIL, who has trained us. I would like to thank you, Magic Institute of Excellence, Vishal sir and Rajni sir, and all the trainers who were there with us throughout the journey.